Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Mercedes Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to open up your panoramic sunroof in your 2018 Mercedes Benz CLA 250. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go above the rearview mirror, and you're gonna see a bunch of buttons right here. But since we're specifically talking about the panoramic sunroof, we're gonna click on this button right here. So first things first, in order to slide this cover open, all you have to do is to make sure you push up on the button right here on the top side of the button. So we're gonna do that right now. And as you can see right there, you could, once you press on it, it will automatically go all the way back, so it turns off the shade. But if you want to stop whenever you want, you could definitely pull the lever and it will stop to wherever you would like it to be. So let's see, let's have it open all the way. And you also have an option to pop the little window thing right there. But if you would like to open it all the way, well, not all the way, but this vehicle only gives you a halfway option, so we're gonna do that. So right here, all you have to do is to make sure you pull the button like this, and it will open up the roof just like that, and it will close the shade halfway. If you would like to close it all the way, of course, what we're gonna do is just pull it down just like that. And then do it again if you want to close it all the way with the shade on. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Mercedes Acura, and thank you guys for watching.